Merdeka 118 Tower, 118-story skyscraper in KL. It is currently the second tallest building in the world. Pasar Karat street art and alleyway featuring large-scale colourful murals depicting Malaysian culture. Taki Dim Sum Pao, a legendary stall in KL Chinatown. They are now placing the freshly made buns into the steamer. Steaming is now complete and the buns are ready for sale. They have been hand-making traditional Cantonese steamed buns for over 60 years. It is not easy to find because it's indeed a hidden gem located in a small alley at the back of all the shops along Jalan Sultan. Known for its old school flavours and thick chewy bun skins. Roast and Grill Master, a restaurant specialising in authentic Guangdong style roast meat, known for using traditional charcoal roasting methods and premium 15-year-old dry tangerine peel to infuse its dishes with a distinct citrusy aroma. Roast goose wonton noodle and barbecue pork wonton noodle. Honky roasted chicken, they are now placing the fresh raw chicken into the roaster. Notice how she quickly closed and opened the lid to reduce the heat from escaping. So imagine how hot is it to even place your hand inside even for a few seconds to put in or retrieve the chicken. Each batch requires 30-minute roasting time. It is known for its crispy roasted chicken and is done, described as savoury, tender and juicy with a distinct cracking sound. They use a recipe originating from Sanjiang, Guangdong, utilizing Malaysian kampung chickens, roughly 1.7 to 2 kg. The chickens are slaughtered in the morning and roasted fresh with aromatic ingredients like ginger, scallions and garlic. The chicken sauce is the chicken essence itself, so you get a chicken with crackling crispy skin and aromatic meat. A simple guide for lunch plus a special main dish and pao as dessert for you.